My leg bare right stand like this, didn't allow it.
I've been gone, but I'm back. Yes, people, how are you? I'm very well, thank you for asking. I know this first bit might be a little bit long-winded, but I wanted to break down where I've been and where I want to go. Bringing you along with some of the projects that I'm working on, some of the stuff that I'm doing at the moment. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please, it makes a big difference if you just hit that red subscribe button. I know about 98% of the viewers on this channel aren't subscribed, so please, we're trying to get to 100K. Probably tell that my channel is sort of like how-to based content, but I try to sort of incorporate my life as well. Me being selfish, if I'm honest with you, just because one, my audience is online business owners, content creators, digital marketers, YouTubers, just general creators. But at the end of the day, I want to make videos that I want to go and watch back at a later date as well. So like the traveling videos, all of those type of videos, I love being able to go back and watch those as and when I want to, just to get a bit of nostalgia. I've been super busy recently. Just finished a extra role in a pretty decent series, so I'm not going to talk too much about that. Obviously I can't really talk about it because it's not out yet, but yeah, finished that. Really cool. But obviously I was just working like 7 days a week non-stop, and it just really it burned me out. If I'm being honest, like it burned me out. So that is why I stopped making YouTube videos, just because I was prioritizing other things. I also made a pretty big investment into some mentorship and some coaching probably about a month ago now, and because I was doing that role, I wasn't sort of able to give it my full attention at the time. I'm hoping that now that's sort of settled, I can factory reset when it comes to the content and the investment that I made into this program. I just haven't given it the attention that it needs for the amount of money that I've invested into it. Excited for getting back into routine when it comes to training. I'm not out of shape, but I'm definitely not in the best shape I've been. So a few of my goals moving forward on this channel are to document scaling the e-commerce agency, scaling this YouTube channel, also generally improving my productivity, passion for creating content, and also my health and fitness. So to be able to document all of that on this channel alongside you guys is going to mean a huge deal for me. I haven't made a video since we hit 1,500 subscribers, so honestly, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for everyone that has subscribed. I love creating videos. Like I said, I will never stop creating videos. Maybe I'll take a little break every now and then, but I'll never stop creating videos. We're gonna aim to do a video every Sunday at least. This video is probably gonna go up on Sunday. Hello, future me. Hopefully that sort of gives you a little bit of a breakdown as to where I am right now and where the channel is heading. I just haven't been myself. I haven't felt productive. I haven't been putting the content out, but there's opportunities that arose that obviously made sense. Someone just bought this t-shirt from eBay, just literally packaging this up quickly, and then I'm gonna go for a little walk. I want to do a dopamine detox. I feel like I've been using my phone way too much recently, mindless scrolling on stuff that really doesn't make any impact on my life, or even has a negative impact on my life. Potentially one of the next videos you'll see is me doing dopamine detox, just trying to be as productive as possible. Gut can just come off.
Leave a comment below if you've never used an iron.
Leave a comment below if you've ever toasted bread on an iron.
I've got a new wireless microphone for the setup, and here's what I think of it.
Amazon are getting quicker and quicker by the day. I've got this wireless microphone. Wanted to get one of these for a while. Come on! That is a big plus. It's got a travel case. What's up? Ooh, yes, I like it. Very nice. The clips, so you can clip that onto your lapel. Really nice packaging. Just see what else sort of comes in it. I really like how it's like a divot, so these literally fit in there perfect. It's like an actual dedicated space for there to go. I think this is a huge thing with products like this. I love it when they go the extra mile, like to make a case, for example, like a case that comes with it, because you'll always get people like third parties that will make stuff for this, but yeah, I love the fact it comes in. Okay, so they've got dead cats in here. Dead cats? Yeah, it is dead cats. Windbreakers for the mic. So that must mean it comes with a mic as well. I didn't know that. I mean, I know it's a mic, but as in like a lapel mic. Okay, and then we've got a load of wires. So guessing chargers and the actual lapel mic. Bunch of different wires. This is going to be the one that goes into the camera. A lapel mic. Cool. That's really That's actually really good that they include that. I like that. USB-C charger, really nice. Look, you see these little details, yeah? The USB charger, USB to USB-C charger, it's got 2. So you can charge both of them at the same time. I like that. I like that. So let's quickly get this set up. This transmitter actually just goes into the, is it called hot shoe? Also got headphones and out ports as well. So you can listen to the feedback from the microphone. So if you're doing like an interview and you want to make sure that everything is coming through smoothly, you can obviously listen to the microphone as you do it. This is now coming from the Sony a6300 with the Rode Video Micro attached. This would be an actual good setup, even though it's a little bit bulky. Obviously you can kind of get away with it. Obviously I'm in a shorts and a t-shirt in my pajamas. We need to say the magical words. This is what it sounds like using the wireless microphone system. Bada 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 boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom. 1-2 with a 127 came through looking like heaven. Oh, it's already recording, so it'd be interesting to know if that literally goes straight into here, and if it does, that's pretty cool. You've also got this little dead cap for it as well, and then you can obviously put this underneath. And then we can just put this onto your waistband. Boom. And we're mic'd up. Hey, man's mic'd up, you know. So now the final test, this is the audio using the transmitter with the lapel microphone as well. So if you've got this far in the video, comment underneath what you think is the best quality of audio. Very, very nice, my friends. It was Sarah's birthday, so we went out for a little meal on the Wednesday. I'm not even gonna lie, I think I just kind of f***ed up.
I don't like barbecue sauce, but here I am.
Out of 10.
I need ketchup, so I'd say strong 7.5.
With it being lockdown last year, we missed the annual Triumph's barbecue, so we had to make up for it this year.
Ching ching, bling bling, sing sing.
My God. Don't go lengthwise.
A little bit of the bubbly.
Nasty, you know? Come on. Kobe. So you have a good time anyway.
Oh, Matt Hancock's resigned.
Yeah. See you down.
Come on, Jack. First time. Cheers, son. Come on, HB. Do it for HB boys. Come on, Amelia. Come on, Amelia.
Well done, Jack.
Yeah, now we got to Zoe.
Go on, Dad! Oh, come on, Dad! Yes! Come on, Pat! Yeah!
Hello. Oh no, you did one. You know, I don't know what to say.
Promote the food, please.
If you're looking for a good food content, then you know where to come at the Real Fuji. Thank you.
Go on, Ollie.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Oh! Get away, Fossers. Yeah!
That's like OnlyFans.
I'll take the kitchen.
Hello.
My leg bare right stand like this, didn't allow it. To be honest, I'm quite happy. Happy birthday.
25 years young, baby.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.
Hollywood 6.